Hi guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today we will quickly understand important April month current affairs. First one is Kavacha. Kavacha is a rapid response center. It is approved by Department of Science and Technology Government of India. They approved rapid response center, that is Kavacha. It is full form is Center for Augmenting War with COVID-19 Health Crisis. Its total cost is 56 crore. It is to support the innovation and startups that are addressing the COVID-19 challenges. And it will be set up at Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, IIT Bombay. Okay, it will be set up at IIT Bombay. You all know that the nation is under health emergency. Thus, various solutions are undertaken by research institutes and laboratories. Next is Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu is a official coronavirus tracking app. It has been launched by Government of India. You have to on the Bluetooth and location so that it shows how many positive persons live in your area. Please download this app, and I have made a separate video on Arogya Setu. Please watch that. It is in description. Next is Standard in India. It is a portal. It has been launched by Ministry of Tourism. Why it is launched? It is to help the foreign tourists who are stuck in various parts of the country. Because of coronavirus, all the flights has been cancelled. So they were stuck in the various parts of the country. So to help them, the Ministry of Tourism has launched Standard in India. Okay. It is Corona Watch. It has been launched by Karnataka government. Why it has been launched? To track the movement history of the person who tested positive. The person who tested positive, his movements will be tracked. For that purpose, the Karnataka government launched Corona Watch. In Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, Modi Kitchen has been started. Why it is started? It is to serve 500 meals per day. Due to this coronavirus lockdown, many people are suffering. For that purpose, Modi Kitchen has been started. Jeevan Amrit Yojana. Jeevan Amrit Yojana. It has been launched by MP government, that is Madhya Pradesh government, to boost the immune system of people to fight against coronavirus diseases. Okay, we will see appointments. The first one is BP Kanango. The center has extended tenure of Reserve Bank Deputy Governor. The center extended his tenure. Reserve Bank Deputy Governor is BP Kanango. And next is Parag Raj. He became the MD and CEO of Bharat AXA Life Insurance. Next is Neeraj Vyas. He became the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank Housing Finance Limited. Neeraj Vyas. Ajay Mahajan. He became the MD and CEO of Credit Rating Agency, CARE Rating. Ajay Mahajan. India lost hosting rights of Men's World Boxing Championship to Siberia. This Men World Boxing Championship will be held in 2021. India will host the Asian Boxing Championship for both men and women. This will be held in December 2020. Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, he has conferred with the Hero to Animals Award, that is PETA. PETA is an animal rights body. He got this award for allocating funds to feed the animals in Odisha during the lockdown due to coronavirus. Important days of April month. The first one is World Intellectual Property Day. It is on April 26. The theme for that is Innovate for Green Future. Next, International Dance Day. It is on April 29. World Malaria Day. It's on April 25. Theme is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. Padma Shri awarded Bollywood actor Irfan Khan passed away. Mission Sanjeevani. It is launched by Indian Air Force to supply essential medical supplies to Maldives via aircraft as to fight against COVID-19. Operation Sanjeevani, it is to supply essential medical supplies to Maldives. Okay. Forbes has launched 34th annual World Billionaires list named as the richest in 2020. It has been topped by Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos. This was the third time in a row that he won this award. Thank you guys for watching my video. If this video was useful, please subscribe, share and like.